Dawn clings to the silent field. In the hush before conflict, the Morrigan stands at the threshold, her form neither fixed nor wholly seen. Ravens drift overhead in slow, patient circles, silent sentinels, witnesses to what must come. Her gaze is the calm of inevitability, ancient and unblinking. Time bends around her presence, the breath before the sword, the heartbeat before the end. Across the misted hills, the Tuatha Dé Danann emerge, luminous but weighty, with their hands shaping the world's fate in silence. They forge blades of perfect balance, their craft a secret language. They bind wounds, teach sacred arts, sing wisdom into stone and water. Their magic is not spectacle but substance, woven into the land's bones. Sovereignty passes quietly among them, heavy as the memory of lost kings. As mortals approach, the gods do not rage. They withdraw with dignity, their footsteps fading into ancient mounds and hollow hills. The land is left empty yet watched. The wind stirs, ravens linger, the old gods endure unseen, their presence felt in the hush between stories, their memory carried in earth, river, and blood.